Jeff the Maintenance Man. We got two of these brand new babies on the property. This is the in my other video it's like the West Wing elevator. It's a Cummins brand. I didn't think they made propane, but I guess they do. So brand spanking new, put in yesterday. We got some brand new Genterators. We all got pretty much this looks like an inline 6. It is an inline 6. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So inline 6. It's weird because our common area is a lot smaller than this, and it's got a F-150 engine in it, like a V8, but only 82 horsepower. It's not like, I guess you don't need that much horsepower, you know. But as long as we can pull about 100 amps or so, we're probably good. The coil packs. It's weird how they got this thing. I guess there's your conversion kit to propane right there, and maybe that down there. But they're looking pretty dang good. Got a screw there. Open this door by taking the screws out, I guess. But alright, these things look pretty cool. I mean, I'll take it. I didn't buy it. Electronic throttle body. Yes, it is. Right there. Everything seems to be real easy to get to. Although we won't probably have to work on this for a while. That's cool. I mean, it smells like a brand new car if this was smell-o-vision, guys. So, interesting. So yeah, we got this one and the other one. They did it all in one day. They put this one in and they put in the other one in the East Wing. It's the same brand, same thing, looks the same. So, pretty cool. Just want to share that with you guys. Oh, look at that, it's a little drone. I was gonna fly my drone, like maybe over by the lake over there, something, but I don't know. Look at this. What the fuck? Are you serious? That was buried? Guys, I can't make this shit up. Wow. Alright, anywho. Here's a little Lars boiler. It actually has gas this time. We actually have gas, knock on wood. So, anyway, I thought I'd show you all the new little generator that got put in. I think it's a 50 kW. I'm not even sure, to tell you the truth. But let's see. Here's some information on it if y'all wanna. No, 62 kVA. Rated 50. Okay, yeah. 50 kW. Huh. Yeah, you don't need anything more than 50 kW here. It's primarily the elevator and the other thing, but pipe the gas line in here. Did a good job. They didn't cut corners that much at all, or any. Only thing I don't like is this. Why didn't they just straighten that out like a little bit more? Because when we tow the garbage cans out of these doors right here, it could get hit. But whatever. That's something for a future day, I guess. And then I'm working on these lights around the path. They're not working, so. Alright, let me grab my my drone. I was gonna fly my drone a little bit, so we'll see. Guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing.